Meet the ZOYI ZT703S, a powerhouse that combines the precision of a digital oscilloscope, the utility of a multimeter, and the convenience of a transistor tester in one compact tool. Designed for professionals and hobbyists alike, the ZT703S delivers a 50 MHz bandwidth and a blazing 280 megasiemens sampling rate, ensuring you capture even the fastest signals with clarity and accuracy. Need to troubleshoot circuits, measure voltage, test components, or analyze waveforms? This device does it all, quickly, reliably, and with intuitive controls that make your workflow seamless. With built-in waveform storage support, you can pause, review, and analyze your signals anytime, enhancing your diagnostic capabilities without missing a beat. Whether you're in the lab, the workshop, or the field, the ZOYI ZT703S is your all-in-one solution for electronic testing, saving you space and maximizing your efficiency. The ZOYI ZT703S. Smart, versatile, and built to perform. It's not just a tool. It's your edge in electronics.